Hi, party people. It's Mrs. Holbrook and Baby Echo here. How are you doing? Okay, today we have a knock knock joke for you. Are you ready? Knock knock. Linda. Lend a hand. I can't do it all by myself. Do you get it? Like lend a hand to help somebody. So today I want you to try to lend a hand to someone. Maybe you'll hold the door for somebody in your home, or maybe you'll just ask someone if they need help cooking dinner. Whatever it is, try to lend a hand and be a helper. Okay, repeat after me for our warm up. Glued sounds first, they're green. O-N-K, honk, onk. I-N-K, pink ink. A-N-K, bank ink. And now our vowels. A, apple, a. E, add, eh. I, itch, eh. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Fantastic. And now for our vowel teams. Love being on a team. Let's do this row, the newest row we've learned. O-U, trout, ow. O-U, soup, ooh. O-O, school, ooh. O-O, book, U-E, blue, ooh. U-E, rescue, you. E-W, chew, ooh. Great job. All right, we're going to do a little bit of reading now. So let's take a look at some words. Now, when you read these words, we're not just going to read them, but I need everyone to put on their detective binocular or pretend to have your magnifying glass and do a little detective work to see what you find. So can anyone find me a word that has a blend and a glued sound? What do you see? The first one. Here's the blend. Swa. Here's the glued sound. What's the word say? Swing. Bada, 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 swing. Makes me think of baseball or softball. Or a kid at the park on the swing. Okay, detectives, do you see anything else with a glued sound and a blend? What's that you say? Right here, the next one. What's the blend, everybody? Purr, like a kitty cat. And what's the glued sound? Ank. Put it together, and what do we have? Prank. Prank. Are you playing a prank on me? No pranks, just detective work. Do you see any other blends and glued sounds? I thought you'd miss it. Here it is. What's the blend? St. And here's the glued sound. An. And then there's another blend at the end. What's the word? Stand. Stand. Everybody stand and sit. Stand and sit. Woo! Now get your arms going. Stand and sit. Stand and sit. Nice job. Okay, detectives. Let's see. Another one that has a blend and a glute sound. Searching, searching. There's one more. Did you find it? Yes, here it is. What's the blend? ST, just like stand. And here's the glute sound. What does it say? Ung, like lung, ung. So the whole word, stung. Have you ever been stung by a bee? Huh, me too. Okay, great job, detectives. Now it is our duty to read all of the words. Read them with me. Here we go. Swing, per, ank, prank, and stand, isp, crisp, sp, and spend. Are you reading with me? You better be. Imp, blimp, stung, plump, ift, drift away. Okay, that was our first read. Now it's your turn. I'll highlight it and you read it. Try to keep up with my highlighting. My lips will be sealed. Next word, read it. Tap it first if you need to. As soon as it's blue, I should hear you read it. One more. Fantastic, everybody. Fantastic. Okay, now we did our reading. Let's get into our spelling and building of words. Please take out your Velcro board, and we're going to start by building some words. Well, we'll start with sounds. Pause if you need more time to go get your board. Okay, repeat after me. Z. Point to the letters that say Z. Two of them, what are you pointing to? S and Z. Good job. Okay, say sh. Point to the letters that say sh. What are their names? SH. Good. I. Point to the letter that says I. What's its name? I. Repeat after me. Ink. Point to the letters that say ink. A-N-K. High five. All right. Speaking of high fives, let's do a quick high five and count by fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Good work. Okay, now get ready to build this word. Repeat after me. Skunks. Do you smell those skunks? Do you hear a suffix? Skunks. Yeah, so what's the base word? Skunk. Let's tap it out. Skunk. Go ahead and build. We did 3 taps, so 3 cards. And then add the suffix s. Skunks. Keep building and check it with mine when you're ready. How'd you do? Here's the blend. Here's the glued sound. Let's spell it away. S K U N K suffix S. Cool. Okay, let's try this word. Scrap. Do you hear a suffix ending in scrap? Nope, so let's tap it out. I think there's going to be a 3-letter blend. Let's really stretch out the sounds. S, k, a, p. A lot of times people miss one of the sounds. Go slow and do each one. Let's spell it. S, k, C in this one. A, p. Build it. Sk, a, p. Keep building, and when you're ready, you can check it with mine. Scrap. Nice job. Pause it if you need more time. If not, let's spell it away and put them back in the right spots. S C R A P. Okay. We'll build one more word and then we'll do some dictation on paper. Here's your last word. Splash. Let's go splash in the ocean together. Okay, stretch out these sounds with me. S, P, O, A, sh. Digraph. Build it and try it like I do it. I'm going to stretch out that sound until I put the card on mine. Splash. P, P, P. Oh. Ah, sh. Splash. Keep building yours until you're all done. Great building, you guys. Let's spell it away. S P L A S H. Okay, give yourself a pat on the back for keeping your board neat. And go ahead and put your Velcro board away. And today we will do a dictation on, oh, you know what? I said paper, but it's actually going to be dry erase. Yesterday was supposed to be paper, but we didn't. So dry erase board and a marker. And let's start with some sounds. So go ahead and number down your board. 1, 2, 3, just like this. Pause until you're set up like this. Okay, and let's start with some sounds. Number 1, X. Write the letter that says X. Check it with mine. Number 2, write the letter that says eh, 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 eh. Check it with mine. Make sure your E starts by flying between the grass and the plane line. If you need to practice some more E's, do that. Pause and do that. And we'll do one more sound. What says onk, onk? Don't forget to be pinching and making a table for your grip. Onk. Check it with mine when you're ready. Let's read these sounds together. X, eh, onk. And when you're all set, we can erase them. Leave the numbers, just erase the sounds. And let's do 3 trick words today, okay? Okay. First, let's do how. How are you? Remember, the h isn't tricky, it's the ow. So do you remember how to spell ow? That's the tricky part. Check it with mine or check it in your notebook if you're not too sure. How. Pause whenever you need more time. The next one is now. If you can spell how, you can spell now. How now. Same tricky part. And number 3, many. I have many students who are working hard. Isn't tricky. Is tricky. Isn't, and the E is. 2 tricky parts, 2 that you can sound out. Many. And when you finish writing, please read all 3 words. How, now, many. Okay, let's erase these 3 words, these 3 trick words, and let's do 3 words that we've been working on with blends. Let's start with split. I love to eat a good banana split. Tap it, spell it, and write it. It. Split. Take your time, pause it as long as you want, and then check with mine when you're ready. Number 2, plants. There's a lot of plants in my house. Do you hear a suffix S? So what's the base word? Plant. Tap out plant and write it, and then make it say plants. Check it with mine. Pause until you're done. And number 3, scrub. I'm going to scrub the bathtub clean. Tap it and write scrub. Scrub. Check it with mine when you're ready. And I want you to mark all the blends. Mark all of those blends and circle any suffix endings.